Hello, this is my presentation of the constituent principles of the Human Act, which is presented by me, David Calpajardo. So, to start, knowledge in the context of human acts. So, it is stated here that it needs to have the cognitive awareness and the intellectual capacity to distinguish right from wrong so that we can evaluate the morality of said act. So here we can also add freedom, which is the the freedom to pursue your nature. So this can be a basis for moral accountability since freedom serves as a prerequisite for responsibility. It is actions chosen willingly, which is our next topic, the voluntariness or willingness. The definition of intentionality. Voluntariness dictates that a human act must be intentional. So, all three interact with one another. You need to be knowledgeable, you need to be willing, and you need to have the freedom to do so. So, you can be held fully accountable of your actions. So, here are the factors affecting moral accountability. Your intention. Intention represents the underlying reason or goal. It can be a virtuous act in its intention, but it can still have a different effect. It can impact negative motives. When an act is driven by bad intention, it can corrupt the moral integrity of the performance, rendering the entire action immoral regardless of the external appearance of the deed, which is the opposite of doing something good out of the goodness of your heart and it still having the outcome being bad. Intention and the actual morality of the action can always interchange and are not always the same, even if your intentions are good from the start. Circumstances. Circumstances are the situation, the what, the when, how, why, who. These are the environmental conditions and the external factors that can influence moral responsibility and the actual meaning of the situation. So, to conclude, acts have many external and internal factors that influence their morality. Since we already said that knowledge, freedom, and willingness are the internal factors that can influence if we can consider a act to be moral or immoral. And the situation can also change if it is considered that.